Hi everyone, my name is Pradnya and I welcome you on our today's topic of grammar, parts of speech, the pronoun. Read the words from the column of the sentence board. They jumped down. Has she solved puzzles? You can do it. In the above sentences, we have used words like they, she, you. They are called pronouns. Pronouns are words that stands for nouns. They are used when we know that what nouns we are talking about. For example, I, we, you, they, she, it, and so on. We are going to start talking about pronouns today. And of course, that begins with the question, what are pronouns? Allow me to answer that question by the way of a demonstration. Emma laughed so hard, milk came out of Emma's nose. Zack lifted the log. Zack found a worm under the log. So these sentences don't have pronouns. But what do they have is repeated nouns. Here we have Emma and then we say Emma again. And then we say Zack and the log. But people are smart, right? We have relatively long attention spans. And so if we start off a sentence talking about Emma, we are pretty sure that we are still talking about Emma. We don't need to say that name twice. We don't need to say Emma and then Emma again. So what a pronoun does, it allows you to take out the unnecessary noun when we are very certain we know what we are talking about. So you don't have to say Emma a million times. You can replace Emma with her. Same thing applies to the second two sentences. We don't have to keep on mentioning Zack and the log when we know what we're talking about. So the first sentence would still read Zack lifted the log, but then in the second sentence we can replace the name Zack, since we already know who we're talking about, with the word he, and we can replace this little phrase, the log, with it, since we know we're talking about the log. Now words like her and he and it are all called pronouns. So what are pronouns? They are words that stand in for other words. Now obviously her, he and it are not the only pronouns in English. But for now I just want you to think about the idea that a pronoun is a word that stands in for another word. You can learn anything.